Meaning of histogram.
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 Histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of a dataset. It consists of a set of bars representing the frequency of occurrence of each value or range of values in the dataset. The x-axis represents the range of values while the y-axis represents the frequency of those values. Histograms are commonly used to visualize the distribution of numerical data, such as ages or heights, and to identify patterns or trends within the data. They are particularly useful for identifying outliers, gaps, or skewness in the data distribution.